Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by signing into Sars Efiling with your username and password. Make sure your registered email is accessible for OTPs. Once logged in, navigate to the profile menu and choose Update Personal Details. This reduces errors later. You should confirm your identity using your South African ID number and, where required, a bank account number for verification. Finally, check browser compatibility and enable pop-ups so document upload and confirmation pages open correctly. Once on the update screen, change the specific fields: name, contact details, address, or marital status. Enter data exactly as on supporting documents. Upload PDFs or JPGs for ID or marriage certificates using the Upload button. File size limits will appear, so compress if needed. Then use the built-in Validate function to catch mismatches. If entries are flagged, correct them immediately. Make sure you save a draft periodically, because session timeouts can lose unsaved changes. You finish by saving changes and completing any OTP or email verification steps. This is required for the update to take effect. After submission, check your registered email for a confirmation message and note the reference number for future queries. If the system rejects the update, first clear your browser cache and retry, or attempt another browser. If issues persist, contact Sars support with the reference number and screenshots. This speeds resolution and prevents duplicate updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.